I'm a game changer. I'm a risk taker. I don't hide from the battle. The battle hides from me.
Hello, my name is Gustavo de Melo Abstão. I'm come from Brazil, and my experience with RoboCup is very shortly. Um, I'm LARC champion by Neo Open Sky team, and I participated of the iCooL challenge 2020. Practically all my experience with programming and robotics come from CoSpace. And I was started of the knowledge of JP 7085 because of its search strategy. I participated in the sub 19 category. I used the platform and the standard compiler that comes in the CoSpace. Well, clearly on the map, we had some challenge regarding the entry of the robot in the deposit and some the corners where it could be in a loop. So the solution to both problem was very simple. Observing the pattern of the robot on the map, some invisible walls here placed on the map, and the robot going through. Then use it the new command. The new command turn to the 0 or turn it to 108. And here we can see the algorithms in action here. Here and here.